Hey, what's up fellas, it's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel guys, and today I'll show you how to remove and install a AC compressor on Nissan Rogue. Yeah, and this one is a Nissan also Rogue Sport. So far I think the engine bay is the same. Maybe there's a couple of things is different, but it's still a Nissan, still it's a 4-cylinder. Have same procedure on a regular Nissan Rogue. So let's go ahead and start the work. So what we're gonna do for the beginning is we need to lift up the car, guys. If you don't have a lift, you can definitely use a jack right under front or on the side. Lift up the car as much you can and take the front right wheel out. Alright guys, now what we need to do is to take this cover on the side. It's right there. You remove that cover because we need access to work on the AC compressor and also to remove the serpentine belt. I'm going to use a plastic removal and a screwdriver to take these clips out. Let me show you what happened to my car. Let me lift up the car and show you what happened actually, why I'm replacing the AC compressor. AC compressor is bad because the car had an accident on the right side, and what happened is the engine mount, it was broke on top, right? And it fell down on the cross member, and because of that the engine was running, right? And it hit the cross member, and you see how the AC made a hole in here because it was rolling. It was rolling and it made a hole in the cross member. But before that, guys, I'll show you how to remove the serpentine belt. In my case, I don't have to because I mean, as you see, it's done here, guys. As you see here, you have a 14 millimeter. All right, so what you do, you get an extension, you put the 14 millimeters here, and you turn and you take the serpentine belt out, and this way all these pulleys, they were free to be removed. Even the water pump, the alternator. It is to drain the system out of the engine. So you gotta drain the whole freon out of the system. Yeah, I'll bring the tank. We're gonna hook this, get the freon out. Well, as you see, guys, I tried to connect the drainer. Unfortunately, I don't think I have any freon in the system, and I'll show you too. Just gonna push the pin. All right, guys, in my case, I don't have to drain the system. I don't have to remove the freon. So like I said, make sure in your car, if you have freon, make sure you drain properly in a tank before you work on your AC. All right, guys, so what we'll need a 10 millimeter with extension. Yeah, I'll put it together. And as you see right here, let me zoom it, right there. Yeah, you take this nut right here. You take that nut off, and then we're gonna have another one right there, right here, right there. Yep. You take those off. I'm gonna keep trying to pull. Yep, right there. As you see, guys, as behind the rest of the Freon. So it looks just like that. Then we gotta pull the second line off. This one came out easier, and the line is right here, so we can hook it back to itself, just like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect the AC, and by saying that, there's on top right here, this wire goes on top, is right here behind this. I don't know if you can see it right here. There's the connector, and you just gotta push on top of it, and it's supposedly to come out. Alright guys, just like that, like I said, right here. So to disconnect, you just gotta press this thing right here on top, and it looks like there's another one. And for you to see it again, you gotta press on the side, just like that, exactly as a gray one. Only one, this one stays like that. So you gotta press again here to disconnect the second connector. All right guys, so for the last step to unscrew the 3 bolts, we got a 13 millimeter, and we got one bolt here, one bolt right here, and then we got a bolt on top. I'll show it to you later. Right there on top of it, right there. Yep. So I fixed it. Now we can start unscrew it, just like that. Got a second one off. We have one more right here. Alright guys, as you see, the AC compressor comes out. Let's get the bolt out. Alright. And then the only thing we have to do is take it out of there. What will be the best way is to pull it through this side. Take it off through here. Right? Just like that. Yep. Here we go. Alright, so alright fellas, so here's the brand new serpentine belt, and then we got a used really low mileage AC compressor from junkyard. Alright guys, so we installed the new AC compressor. I put all the bolts. Now we gotta just tie them up back together. As you see here, everything is installed back together. First line right here, and then this is the second goes on top. We tied it up back together. Okay, so we got this right here, and if you look at the tensioner, it's moving out. We can hold it like that, and then we're gonna go from inside and try to put the serpentine belt. I'll need my second hand, so let me do this. So as you see, we got a brand new seat belt. It's pretty good. It fits properly, nice. Let's give it a try. Start the car. All right. Sounds good to me. All right. Now, next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill up the system with the new Freon and try the AC if it works, and that's it. All right, so we're pumping the Freon into the system. As you see, the fans start working. Now what you want to do is just want to go all the way up the blower all the way up, but yeah, and max AC, and that's it. Our AC works. The car has 104,000 miles. The AC was bad, we had to replace it. The car works very well. AC works, the serpentine is installed properly. I think this video is going to help you out to replace your AC on your Nissan Rogue Sport 2. If you have any kind of a model and you want to do it, then don't hesitate. I believe you can do that at home. If you have questions what kind of tools I used to finish this job, then comment below. I'll text you, I'll let you know. If you have any kind of questions as well, text it, I will answer too. And that was mechanic mode. See you next time.